Now we know facial symmetry is equivalent to attractiveness. So the more balanced and symmetrical your face looks, the more attractive you'll be. And the cool part is that there's certain, let's call them optical illusions. There's certain tricks that you can deploy to make your face look as even and as symmetrical as possible. Let me show you. 1. Trim your beard right at your neckline. I did a whole video showing you how to do this, but strategically what this does is that it gives your jawline a clear definition between your jaw and your neck. And then because you're cutting it down here versus really high up like some other people do, what ends up happening is that the beard wraps around underneath the jaw and it hides any sort of asymmetries your jawline could have to make it just look structured and balanced. Number 2, wear glasses. I've said this time and time again. Glasses is the most powerful accessory a man can own because 1, it's functional, 2, it's stylish, and 3, it makes you look more attractive. See, glasses are naturally symmetrical. When you put a symmetrical object on your face, you do 2 things. 1, you're gonna hide imperfections, and then the second thing is you're gonna give the illusion of having a symmetrical face because of that symmetrical structure. And the best part is, and what I recommend, buying blue light glasses. See, RJ Black Prism collection, which actually they're so nice, I have them hung in my office. These are in-house designs that we've done, and the beauty of our blue light collection is just that. Because they have functionality against digital devices like your phone, your computer, your tablet, this is something you can wear all day, 24/7, indoors and outdoors to protect your eyes from strain, but also something that you can have on your face 24/7 to make yourself look smarter and more symmetrical. And therefore, look, I've never met a guy that hasn't thrown on one of our Prism glasses and not looked instantly better. Like, this is almost guaranteed. If I were you, I'd click that link down below, check out our Jade Black Prism collection. Yo, they start for around 50 bucks, and the great part is that we use the best materials in the world. Italian handmade acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses with blue light blocking technology. You feel one of our glasses compared to designer, it's gonna feel like a $500 pair, but it's only 50 bucks. And we have free shipping and free returns if you live in the US, which means, yo, if I were you, I'd buy myself 2-3 pairs. That way you can wear them every single day. You have a different style and you're always looking attractive, and it's still more affordable than just one pair of designer. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. 3, I want you to pluck your eyebrows, but when you do it, you're just gonna pluck the top and the middle. This is strategic. The middle you're gonna do because nobody likes a unibrow, and also you want to make sure that the ends of the eyebrows start where the inner eyeball starts. This is gonna give you that nice, balanced, symmetrical face. Then you're gonna trim just the top. Any flyaway hairs that you see that aren't in the natural curvature of your eyebrow, you're gonna trim that, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you that low set eyebrow, which makes you look very intense, very mysterious, and overall, more attractive. 4, get a haircut. Your barber will be your best friend here. Your barber will know more than you do. See, when you go to an experienced barber, the first thing you should ask is what hairstyle suits my head shape and my face shape. When he gives you that hairstyle, your face automatically will look more symmetrical. Moreover, if you get a nice lineup, like a fresh lineup, the whole point of a lineup is to give you those symmetrical lines and also structure your face and give you that facial symmetry. Number 5, it's mewing. If you don't know what mewing is, it's basically the concept of becoming a nose breather. See, the theory goes that we've over time become lazy and started to become mouth breathers. And when you breathe through your mouth, you're basically dropping down your jaw, and it gives you this illusion of a double chin. However, when you start forcing yourself to press the tongue on the top of the roof of the mouth and force yourself to breathe through the mouth, you'll notice an instant difference between your jaw, breathing through your mouth, and breathing through your nose. And ultimately, number 6, you can chew more gum. See, we have facial muscles all over our jawline. An easy thing that you can do that won't damage your teeth is chewing on a sugar-free gum. 1, it's gonna help with cavities. 2, it's sugar-free, so it's not gonna affect your diet. And 3, the constant chewing will help strengthen these muscles to help balance out any weak zones. So let's say the left side looks a little weaker than the right side, you're gonna chew more on this side. And vice versa, if your right side looks more weaker than your left side, you wanna chew more on the right side. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our glasses from Jade Black. If you want those Prism glasses, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.